Hello, this is Sharon Naraine, and I'm coming to you here from the Sunshine State in the hospital where my husband is. At any rate, folks, guess what's happening here? See that? What's going on here? That's basketball is being played, right? Now, ask me about basketball. I don't know anything much. Ask my husband. I don't think he knows anything much. But you know what? We are watching basketball because there is a reason why we are watching basketball. Okay, and we're excited to watch basketball, excited to learn what is basketball. See that? I'm here with my husband. Excited to watch basketball because we learned that our grandson wants to go to the NBA. He wants to be a player for the NBA. So he is excited about basketball. So guess what? What grandparents do? Whatever the grandkids them wants and do, we fall for it. So now, folks, see that? Hobby and I, we have to learn what is basketball and watch basketball even though